Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm basically just going to do a haul. These are things that I've bought myself and also got for Christmas. There's not many things, but there's enough to do a haul, so I thought you'd like to see. So the first product is a I don't really know what to call it because I was going to say a brush kit, but it's not really a brush kit because you get other things than just brushes. Which are also dotting tools. These are the dotting tools that you can see right now, and then here are the brushes. So this is like nail art, like a nail art set, I guess. So you've got fan brushes, fine point brushes, just to do lots of different things on nails. To be honest, I haven't really played around with these yet, just because they are brand new. Not entirely sure what to do with all of them. This is the dotting tool. But I'll find out and I'll create some kind of masterpiece. But yeah, I'm really excited to use those. They're from Amazon. I think everything from this, everything I got here, it's all from Amazon. I got both of these together and I think I paid about £12 for this from Amazon. I got these myself and they're just nail tips and they are such good quality. The last nail tips I got weren't the best and these are great. They stick down on the nail and they fit on so many different nail types, so I definitely recommend these. I love them so much. Here I got I got a gel polish and a nail varnish by, I think it's Daisy D&D. I'm not entirely sure if it's just D&D or Daisy, but here they are, and I got it in salmon pink. This was more on the expensive side just because these gels are really good quality and I would recommend, but they are more expensive. I believe they're around £15, but you do get a gel as well as the matching nail varnish. Here is a acrylic brush, a really good quality one. This was £12 from Amazon again. Such good quality, way better than the brushes I was using before. Makes the job so much easier, can I just say, and you can also like do a different acrylic method with this, because with this kind of brush it allows you to do like a 2 bead or a 1 bead method, because I don't know, it's just so much better quality and it allows you to do that. So 100% would recommend using a really good quality brush if you're just getting into doing acrylics. And then the next thing that I got the next thing I got is a stamping toolkit. You might have already seen these on like Instagram and Snapchat. I've never ever used one of these before. I've not properly used them on a set of nails. However, I have like stamped them onto a piece of paper just to like, I don't know, play with it. So inside this kit you obviously get the instructions and you get the stamping tool. For some reason I got 2 stamping tools, which I got that green one. I got, of course, these stamping plates, but you'll see I got another stamping tool which is a bit confusing. Am I going to show you the stamping tool? Oh, yeah, so here's the other stamping tool. Not quite sure why I've got 2. If someone does know, just comment down below and let me know. And they are very different. One's very squishy and one's quite solid. I definitely prefer the squishy one, if anyone's wondering, just because I find that easier. I have played around with this and as you can see I forgot to clean the little scrapey thing, so please don't sue me. Sorry about that. And I'm just showing you how dirty it is. I do apologise. So yeah, here's the stamping tool, and my only complaint, which I'm about to show you, is the fact that the squishy thing comes off, which is a bit weird, but it goes straight back on, which you'll see now. Goes straight back on and it's like it never came off. So it's not that bad. And I think this kit was around £10. Honestly, just search it up on Amazon and you'll find the exact same kit. And then this also came with a latex peel off thing, so you don't have to, it makes the cleanup job a lot easier. And then here are the stamping plates. And really, really nice designs. Really, really nice ones. So yeah, you can see that some of them, the rest are blue other than that first one. It's because it's still got its protective layer over it, which yeah, protects it obviously. So the next product I got was this Mia Secret Extra Bond. I believe it dehydrates the nail and is also used as a primer to help keep the acrylic on the natural nail. It smells very potent, I will say that, but I've not tried it yet, so I can't tell you if it's good, but it was recommended by quite a few people in the comments down below. I also have some questions for you guys. If you know anything that will help keep acrylic on the nails, please let me know, because I'm really struggling with that. I want to make my acrylics last longer. So let me know what the secret is. If I need a different type of primer, a different type of dehydrator, what I need to do to the natural nail, just let me know. Here you can see some glue. I also researched this on YouTube to see which one is the best to use for acrylics, and that particular glue came up, so I ordered it and it was about £12. This is a nail cutter specifically, well, I mean, you can use it on the natural nails, but I bought it specifically for acrylics, just because if you're trying to use one of those nail clippers for natural nails on acrylics, it's just going to drive you insane, which I was using those on acrylics for quite a bit, and I just thought it's time to get some clippers because it was just taking the absolute piss, to be honest. So the next thing I got is a professional nail art tools perfectly. Oh, I'm just reading. I'm just reading the label. Basically, this is a set that you'd use to take off your acrylics with acetone. Never used it. Not entirely sure how to use it, but I'll just play around with it and figure that out. And right now, you can see that I don't know how to open the set, so I've had to do it off camera. But I'm back. So these are little nail clipper things to keep, like, so you don't have to hold the acetone and the wipes on your nail. So you just clip them onto your nail and then it's soaking into the acrylic whilst you do other things. And I believe this tool is to scrape off the excess acrylic, which will have gone soft if you've got acetone soaked all over it. And then a buffer and a nail file, and then these are the little wipes that you would soak in acetone, wrap your fingers around, and then put these clippers on. I believe that's how it works, but I've never used it before. I've never seen anyone use it. That's just my opinion and what I would think to do, but not entirely sure. Here I got a set of chrome. In this set, I got 18 different types of chrome, or different shades / colours of chrome for about £12, which is crazy. However, I'll open up this little chrome pot and you'll see the tiny amount that I actually get in it. But it's still worth it because I'm just getting into using chrome like that. This is genuinely the first time having chrome on my nails. You can see this, I've got chrome on my nails at the moment. I did that and it came out really nice, so you don't need to buy expensive stuff in order to have nice chrome, because this is quite cheap, but you get a lot in it and everything's so nice. So yeah, you get the little applicator, and yeah, here I'm showing all the colours. So yeah, I got 18, and some colours are quite similar, but some aren't really. Like this royal blue is so pretty. Yeah, so I definitely recommend this kit, and I think having these different shades will help you come up with different ideas. But yeah, that's a black one, and I was just making sure that I wasn't showing you the bottom of the pot. But yeah, that chrome one with I want to say holographic is so pretty, so pretty. And yeah, that really nice pink one. You got quite a few pinks in the set actually. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video and you like, subscribe, comment and all that jazz, and be here next week for my next video. Bye!